being super bold means you can summon your boldness in the most important situations. You can always summon it, whether you are confident or not. You are going to step up. You're going to speak up. You're going to take action. You're going to try something. And especially when it matters, when it's really important, you're not going to hesitate, because hesitation is the opportunity killer. And so when you're super bold, you never hesitate. You see that person you want to meet, really successful business person you've always wanted to meet, or somebody as a potential mate, and you walk right across the room and start talking to them, and behave like a normal person and have a normal conversation, because you've built your boldness muscle so that your mouth works and your brain works and your creativity works, and you project, what is essentially charisma.